Let's do a geography quiz. There are 12 questions. And you have 10 seconds to answer each. If you are ready, let's go. Question 1. What is the capital city of Canada? The answer is Ottawa. Toronto is the largest city in Canada and the capital of Ontario. Vancouver is a major city in British Columbia on the west coast. Question 2. Which continent is Egypt in? The answer is Africa. Egypt is in northeast Africa, but a small part lies in Asia, making it a transcontinental country. Question 3. Which ocean is the largest? The answer is Pacific. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. It covers more area than all the land on Earth combined. Question 4. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? The answer is France. The Eiffel Tower was built for the 1889 World's Fair in Paris. It was supposed to be taken down after 20 years, but it became so popular, they kept it. Question 5. Which river runs through Baghdad? The answer is Tigris. Nile River flows through northeastern Africa. Euphrates River is in the Western Asia, flowing through Turkey, Syria, and Iraq. Question 6. What is the currency of Japan? The answer is yen. Yuan is the official currency of China and won is the official currency of South Korea. Question 7. Which country has the city of Casablanca? The answer is Morocco. Casablanca is the largest city in Morocco. It became globally famous after the classic 1942 film Casablanca, even though the movie wasn't filmed there. Question 8. What is the capital of New Zealand? The answer is Wellington. Auckland is the largest city in New Zealand. Christchurch is the biggest city in the South Island. Question 9. Which country does not border the Caspian Sea? The answer is Uzbekistan. Caspian Sea borders 5 countries: Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, and Azerbaijan. Question 10. Mount Kilimanjaro is in which country? The answer is Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain in Africa, about 5,895 meters or 19,341 feet tall. Question 11. Which capital city is located furthest south? The answer is Wellington. Canberra is further south than Pretoria, but not as far south as Wellington. And the final question. What is the official language of Suriname? The answer is Dutch. Suriname is the only country in South America where Dutch is the official language. That's all for this video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.